Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we are on our way to check out a nice 4-bedroom pool home inside the Refuge Golf Course. Hang out with us and check it out, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, we are at 3433 North Arnold Palmer Drive out at the Refuge, one of the most popular little subdivisions in Lake Havasu. Sits on a really nice lot, has golf course views, backs right to the fairway. It's really nice in here. So it backs to the fairway, and also there are no homes across the street, and it backs right to, or fronts right to, more of the golf course. Let me zoom in so you can see what the view kind of looks like in real life. Real nice lake views from the street here. So the Refuge is a planned unit development, so everything has to meet, builder guidelines, architectural guidelines. There's underground utilities. This one has a paver drive. Looks like the lot next door is non-buildable. There's a mailbox cluster right here, so nobody will be building next to you on this one. Nice custom entry, lots of stonework. So this does have a casita, and this is the separate entrance to the casita part of the house. All right, guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2007, 2,816 square feet. Sits on a 1/4-acre lot in the Refuge, backs right to the golf course. Open floor plan, huge tall ceilings, split bedroom layout. This home is also on natural gas. Has integrated speakers in the wall, can lights, ceiling fans, big open kitchen with an EDAT counter, stainless appliances, double oven, nice granite counters, lots of bar top seating. You have really nice upgraded cabinets. Has a pretty good sized pantry with a light. Little informal dining area. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So it has a really little cool bar setup here with granite counters. Actually might be quartz counters, not really sure. Has a little wine fridge, 2 wine fridges, big tall liquor cabinets. It's got a huge flat screen TV and stonework all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, so the master, laundry, and garage access are behind the kitchen on one side of the house. You have a nice double door master entry. There's a vaulted ceilings in here as well. Integrated speakers in the ceiling. A door out to the backyard pool area. So you have dual his and hers walk-in closets. You have a big master bath set up with dual sinks, granite counters. You have a nice jetted tub. So you have a nice tiled walk-in shower. Toilet with its own door, and also has a door out to the garage area. So you have two more bedrooms on the other side of the house. So you have bedroom number 2 right behind the living room, basically. West side of the house. Double door, mirrored closet doors. Next room you hit is the guest bath. Same granite counters and cabinets. Nice full shower with tile. All right, so you have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house, has a slider out to the pool area. All right, so you have this casita that has its own entrance. This would be the 4th bedroom. They're kind of using it as a guest bedroom / nursery, kids room setup. It's real nice, has its own bathroom, little kitchenette with fridge. Very cool setup. Same granite and cabinets is in the inside. Has a big walk-in closet. Has its own full bath with a tiled shower. All right, let's go check out the pool. So you have your indoor laundry right off the kitchen. Granite counters. Has a utility sink. So you have a fully finished, insulated 3-car garage. Has a 30-foot bay and a double wide 36-foot bay. The 36-foot bay, boat deep side, has a 10-foot door, and this little 1-car side has an 8-foot door. Got your water softener, RO system, hot water, irrigation timers. This house is plumbed for central vac, but you would need to install the vacuum. So you have a slider out to the patio area and pool. It's got integrated sound, I noticed. Cool little beach entry. Baja shelf. Has water features, but they're not running. It's got travertine coping and paver decking. Another little Baja shelf. So this one backs right to the 8th tee. So the tee boxes are right there. And then the fairway's down that way, so you won't get any slices or... So it's got this huge outdoor kitchen set up. Looks like it has speakers, can lights, travertine deck, little gas fire pit set up. Again, nobody will be building next door here. Nice little barbecue setup. So you got all your pool equipment, heater, all your automation panels, 3 pumps. So I was able to set up the water features. They're just little spillways. Pretty cool. Pool looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any cracking or popping. So you have a little gated side walking path over here. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the house over here on Arnold Palmer. If you guys have any questions, all my contact information is right below this video. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. This one was just listed for $995. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get the current price and more pictures. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.